Today we're featuring a 2015 Chrysler 200S all-wheel drive. It's got 40,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, 2 previous owners. All right, it's Billet Silver Metallic in color. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. All right, it does have the lock-unlock button here on the door handle. Driver's side of the vehicle's in good shape. And just a small scratch in the paint right there. And then got another little small nick right here in the back bumper. Okay, but it does have the rear backup camera, and it is an all-wheel drive. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything looks good coming on the passenger side. All right, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside of the vehicle. Got the black and black door panels. Power locks, power windows, power mirrors. It's got the nice kind of blue metallic, or it's kind of a flat blue insert right there. Got your Alpine audio. Alright, got your, what we're going to say, we got blue trim, blue and black leather trim, kind of the cloth insert. Okay, got the nice S stitched into the leather there. The only thing is a little bit of wear and tear right here coming in and out of the seat. Okay, but other than that, everything else is in good shape. It is a power driver seat. Comes with 2 keyless entry key fobs with remote start. Passenger seat looks good. No problems there. Okay, it does have your cup holders here. You can slide this back. Opens it up, gives you access to the USB, auxiliary, and power outlet there. There's your transmission, automatic transmission, dual climate controls. Your display screen will be right here with the backup camera, and I'll show you that in a second. Does have the push button start. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. And it even has the transmission paddle shifters. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 40,343 miles on it. Now that we got it started up here, I'll go ahead and show you navigation. Alright, let me try to dim that down just a bit. There we go, so you can see it a little bit easier. Okay, we'll go to your controls. Heated and passenger driver and passenger heated seats. Heated steering wheel. Okay, we'll go ahead and engage the backup camera. Alright. AC's blowing cold, no problems there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back. Excuse me. Alright. Back seat looks to be in good shape. Everything looks good. It does have the center console, comes down, got your little storage area there, cup holders, even access to the trunk. Okay. Let's go ahead and give you your driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Let's take a look back here in the trunk. Carpet back here looks good. Plenty of space in here. Go ahead and pull this up. Alright, there's your spare tire there. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look on this side. I know it's dark interior, so it's kind of hard to see exactly. But this is the passenger side of the rear seat. And as you can see, everything's in really good shape. Back seat. And we'll go ahead and take a look at the passenger seat when we're up here. Everything looks good. No rubbing at the entry point, exit or entry point there like on the driver's seat. And it does have a nice convenient power outlet over here on the passenger side. It's got 18-inch alloys. Brand new set of tires. You can still see the marking on it there. Alright, once again, it's a 2015 Chrysler 200S all-wheel drive. Okay, it's got all the bells and whistles. 40,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, 2 previous owners, Okay, this thing's in really good shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.